Cloud storage is a cloud computing model that stores data on internet through a cloud computing provider who manages and operates data storage as a service. Cloud storage allows you to save data and files in an off-site location that you can access either through the private internet or dedicated private network connection. Well, internet connection is mandatory in order to upload, modify and share documents with others. Here is a list of top 5 free cloud storage and online drives. So keep watching. Number 1 on our list is Ice Drive. Ice Drive is a next generation cloud storage provider that helps you to access, manage and update your cloud storage effortlessly. Ice Drive is the only encrypted cloud storage solution to use the bulletproof two-fish algorithm. Ice Drive generates secure 256-bit keys using users' encryption passphrase. Keys are generated client-side and never get passed to the Ice Drive servers. Only customer has access to encryption keys. Ice Drive has 3 premium plans to complement its generous free plan: Lite, Pro and Pro Plus. When you create your Ice Drive account, you will receive 10 GB of free storage with 3 GB bandwidth limit. Here is the paid plan for your reference. You can subscribe to the Ice Drive paid plans on monthly, yearly or lifetime basis. Lite plan costs $6.67 a month for 150 GB storage. Pro plan costs $4.17 a month for 1 TB storage, while Pro Plus plan has a price of $15 a month and you can get 5 TB storage space. Talking about ease of use, users have 4 options to access Ice Drive: the Ice Drive website, a desktop app designed for both Windows and Mac, mobile apps for Android and iOS, plus the virtual drive that is available only for Windows. The desktop app is portable, so you don't need to install it on your PC. Number 2 on our list is pCloud. pCloud is a Switzerland-based cloud storage provider started in 2013. pCloud is the most secure encrypted cloud storage where you can store your personal files or backup your PC or share your business documents with others. pCloud has user-friendly interface. The software is available for almost any device and platforms like iOS and Android devices, macOS, Windows OS and all the Linux distributions. By installing pCloud on your computer, the app creates a secure virtual drive which expands your local storage space. Talking about security, pCloud offers TLS SSL channel protection, 256-bit AES encryption for all the files and 5 copies of the files on the different servers. When you sign up for pCloud, you will get up to 10 GB free storage space. pCloud also has 2 paid plans. Here is the pCloud paid plan for your reference. pCloud offers Premium and Premium Plus plan with the annual and lifetime subscription options. With paid plan, you can expect to get storage space from 500 GB to 2 TB. Number 3 on our list is Mega. Mega is a secure, user-controlled, end-to-end encrypted cloud storage and communication service with 20 GB free storage space. Mega Limited is a company based in Auckland, New Zealand. The service is offered through web-based apps, desktop app for Windows, Mac OS and Linux, and Mega mobile apps that is also available for Android and iOS. Mega is known for the largest fully featured free cloud storage in world with 20 GB storage allocation for free accounts. The website and service was launched in 2013. Number 4 on our list is Google Drive. Our list is incomplete without Google Drive. Google Drive is a free online data storage service provided by Google. The service syncs stored files, photos, and more across all the user's PCs, tablets, and mobile devices. It offers 15 GB of free space. Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization service developed by Google. Google Drive offers apps with the offline capabilities for Windows and macOS computers and Android and iOS. Google Drive offers users 15 GB of free storage through the Google One. Google One also offers optional paid plans where you can get the storage space of 100 GB, 200 GB or 2 TB. Number 5 on our list is OneDrive. OneDrive is an online personal storage that you can get when you set up Microsoft account to use services such as Outlook.com or Xbox. Use OneDrive to save documents, photos and other files in the cloud, share them with friends and even collaborate on content. Microsoft OneDrive is a file hosting service and synchronization service operated by Microsoft as a part of its web version of Office. OneDrive was launched in August 2007. OneDrive allows users to store files and personal data like Windows settings or BitLocker recovery keys in the cloud, share files and sync files across Android, Windows Phone and iOS mobile devices, Windows and macOS computers, and Xbox 360, Xbox One, and Xbox Series X and S consoles. OneDrive offers 5 GB of storage space free of charge. There are paid plans where you can get 100 GB, 1 TB and 6 TB storage options. These options are available either separately or with Office 65 subscriptions. Here is the OneDrive paid plan for your reference. So if you create a free account on all the cloud storage service providers that we just saw, you can get altogether 60 GB of free storage space. So that was the list of top 5 free cloud storage and online drives. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.